Having trouble with buttons not working on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? This usually happens because of firmware glitches, dirt, or mechanical issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix DJI Osmo Pocket buttons that aren't working. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check for physical obstructions. Check the buttons for dirt, dust, or debris. Clean gently with a soft microfiber cloth or a small brush. Avoid pressing too hard to prevent damage. Solution 2. Test buttons via DJI Mimo. Open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Connect your Pocket 3. Now you can control it from the app, and this confirms whether the problem is hardware or software. If it's a software issue, then follow Solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. If the buttons still don't work, then contact with DJI customer care points. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.